नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाके सर आज पुन्हा एकदा आपल्या सर्वांचं इझी इंग्लिश ग्रामरच्या या भागात मनपूर्वक स्वागत करतो. आज आपण इंग्रजीमधील 1.2 ॲन एन्काउंटर ऑफ अ स्पेशल काइंड या प्रकरणाचे प्रश्नोत्तरे, चिटचाट, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप, वॉर्मिंग अप ह्या भागांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन 1. लुक ॲट द पिक्चर गिवन ऑन युअर 10th standard English course book, page number 7, and answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do you see in this picture? Answer. I see a small girl carrying the puppy in a large tub. Question 2. What do you think the girl is trying to do and why? Answer. She is trying to save the puppy from drowning in the river because she wanted to save the puppy. Question 3. If you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? Answer. I would also have tried to rescue the puppy if I were in that place. Question 4. Do you think she will become successful in her mission? Answer. Yes, I think that she will become successful in her mission. Now, next question. Match the appropriate heading with the images given on course book page number 7. Answer is given here. Heading 1. Our luxurious bungalow. Image number C. 2. My favorite pastime. Image number A. 3. What a commotion. Image number D. And engrossed in my book. Image number B. Next, margin questions. Question 1. What was the profession of the writer's father? Answer. The writer's father was a medical professional working person. Question 2. Describe the campus where the writer's family lived. Answer. The compound was a luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. Question 3. How did the family relax after lunch? Answer. The family lay down for an afternoon nap after lunch. Question 4. What wicked custom is practiced by animals who live in groups? Answer. A wicked custom in that group is a dominant male does not allow another male to survive in its group. Question 5. What attempts helped by the baby langur to revive? Answer. The writer's father provided the first aid to clean the wounds. Splashes of cold water made the baby move. The writer offered him a peeled banana. These attempts helped the baby langur to revive. Question 6. When did the baby langur finally find comfort? Answer. The baby found comfort when its mother descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms and made the thorough body inspection. Question 7. What truth about animal-human relationship did the incident reveal to the narrator? Answer. The mother langur showed that food was not the only means of communication between man and animal, but establishing a bond through trust, compassion, and mutual understanding are the other means of relationship. Now, next question, English workshop. Question 1. State whether you agree or disagree with the following statement. 1. The compound where the writer was living rich in nature's bounty. Answer. Agree. Second, holidays provide us an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Answer. Agree. Third, the narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. Answer. Disagree. Fourth, animals cannot convey emotions. Answer. Disagree. Question 5. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. Answer. Disagree. Next, question 2. Match the phrases given in group A with their meaning in group B. Answer is given directly in group B. 1. To be a part and parcel of. Answer. To be an essential or integral part. B. To be engrossed in. Answer. To be completely occupied in. C. To take notice of. Answer. Think about seriously. D. To figure out. Answer. to be able to solve a problem. E. To ponder over. Answer. To observe and give attention. F. To be overwhelmed by. Answer. To be affected emotionally in a powerful way. G. In a flash. Answer. Very quickly. H. To find a solace. Answer. To find comfort and peace. Question 3. Write in your own words. A. Why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? For this question, there are two answers. Answer 1. The narrator was engrossed in reading an adventurous storybook. Answer 2. He thought that the pack of dogs might have cornered a hapless pig. B. Why did Mother Langur make no effort to grab the baby from the coop? Answer 1. Mother Langur convinced that no harm was being done to her child from the narrator. Answer 2. She might be thinking that if she took the baby away, the male langur would kill the baby. Now, next question number 4. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of happenings in the text in a sequential order. Answers are given directly. There are total 13 sentences are given direct answers. 1. I was engrossed in various magazines and storybooks. 2. I became deeply absorbed in the book. 3. I heard the disturbance approaching closer. 4. I saw something horrible. 5. I recalled the terrible custom in the animal clan. 6. I gathered a stout stick and then started throwing stones. 7. I managed to catch hold of the baby langur's tail. 8. I took the baby langur to the backyard. 9. I offered him a peeled banana. 10. I allowed the mother access to her baby. 11. I cannot forget that look in her eyes. 12. I was showed that food was not the only means of communication. And the last one, 13th number, I still fondly remember that encounter. Now, next question number 5. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. Question A. What would you do if you find an injured bird while returning from your school? Answer. If I found an injured bird while returning from my school, I would take him to my house, give him a first aid treatment, and then I would give him some grains to eat and hot water in a pot. I would call the veterinary doctor to treat him. I would take care of a bird very much. Next question B. What opinion do you form about the narrator from this story? Answer. I think narrator in this lesson is very kind-hearted, though he was engaged in reading storybooks. He decided to save the baby langur. I think he loves to be in the natural surroundings and animals. Question number 6. Complete the following and write a paragraph on each of the given activities. 1. Mother-child relationship. Points are given there in front of that point. Love and affection, care and support, help and advice, teacher and pupil relationship, guide and follower. Answer is given there. Title, Mother and Child. Every child has a lot of impact of mother on himself. Mother also takes care of her child. She loves her child more than herself. She brings up her child and provides love and affection whenever a child is sad or unhappy. She makes him cheerful and happy. She prepares delicious food for the child. She makes her child perfect. She pays her personal attention on him. From morning to night, she thinks about her child. She always guides her child to do the right things. She encourages her child at every walk of life. A child also feels comfortable in the company of mother. Mother fulfills the needs and desires of a child. She directs the child to go ahead on the right path and do good works in life. She teaches well manners, discipline, and culture. Next point 2. Injured animal. How will you help? Points are there. Give shelter, give first aid, provide water or food, call the veterinarian, and last one, take care of it. Answer. Title. Helping hand to an injured animal. Animals are an important part of nature. If one finds an injured animal, he or she has to help it. We can give shelter to an injured animal. We can provide first aid treatment by cleaning the wounds. An ointment should be applied to the injury. We can provide food and water to the animals. If the animal is seriously injured, we can call the veterinarian doctor instantly. We should give comfort to the animal. Next, question number 7. Work in pairs and make as many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. There are 3 letters word, 4 letters word, and 5 or 6 letters words are given directly in here. 3 letters words column: 10, net, out, not, run, but, one, caught, nut, and none. These are the words which are made from the main word encounter. Next column: 4 letters words: tour, corn, noun, turn, true, once, cute, teen, and rent. These are 4 letters words, and in the 5 or 6 letters words there are enter, count, court, root, center, counter, recount, routine, and tenure. These all are words made from the only one main word, it is encounter. Question 8. Translate the following proverbs in English. 1. Janaseva हीच खरी ईश सेवा. Answer. Service to man is service to God. 2. पेरावे तसे उगवते. Answer. As you sow, so shall you reap. Question 9. Write a paragraph and give an appropriate title to it. Answer is given directly. Answer. Importance of birds and animals. Birds and animals are very important part of our nature. There are many uses of them. The birds as well as the animals keep the environment clean. The birds eat worms and insects. They add beauty to the nature. We find different species of birds in our nature. The chirping of the birds soothe our ears. The birds maintain ecological system. They keep us away from some diseases by eating worms and insects. The animals also helps us in many ways. Dog is a faithful animal. It protects our houses. Cow gives us milk. Ox helps the farmers by doing hard work in fields. The hen gives us eggs. It is very difficult for us to live without birds and animals, so we should provide food and water to them and plant more trees. We should not destroy their habitats. Next, question number 10. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. Answer is given directly. Types of news: 1. Business, 2. Economics, 3. Politics, 4. City news, 5. Weather, and 6. 1. Sports. These are some types of news. Question 10C. Read the following headline and write a news report. Headline: The tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Dateline: Mumbai, 27th July. Lead line: An 8-year-old was injured in an attack of a tiger at Rajiv Gandhi National Park, Mumbai yesterday. Body of the report: He visited the park in the afternoon with his family members. He was attacked by the tiger. Soon after the incident, he was taken to the hospital. Conclusion: Such incidents of attack have been increased for the last year. It is said that the Secretary of Food and Water in the RGNP is the chief cause behind such attack. The Forest Department should conserve the animals and the trees too. Language study 1. Present participle. Find out the ing form from the story and classify them into following table. 1. Present participles. Answers are given there. Twinkling eyes, marauding langur, sloping roof, carrying arms, chirping sparrows, and flying kites. And next point, use in the continuous tense. Started trembling, were witnessing, was holding, was breathing, was pondering, and was trying. These are the changes in present participle and present continuous tense. Next, to spot the error and correct the following sentences. 1. My grandparents laid down for an afternoon nap. Answer. My grandparents lay down for an afternoon nap. Second, a stranger were knocking at our door. Answer. A stranger was knocking at our door. Third, my sister and I shares a study room. Answer. My sister and I share a study room. 4. One of my friend is leaving school. Answer. One of my friends is leaving school. 5. A flock of birds were flying overhead. Answer. A flock of birds was flying overhead. Question 3. Rewrite the sentences as per instructions given along with A. I took the baby langur to our backyard. Rewrite the sentence in the past perfect tense. Answer. I had taken the baby langur to our backyard. Second, she simply sat there quietly. Rewrite the sentence in the present continuous tense. Answer. She is simply sitting there quietly. Third, the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. Rewrite the sentence in the simple present tense. Answer. The mother langur looks straight into my eyes. Fourth, she surveyed the area for the vicious male langur. Rewrite the sentence in the simple future tense. Answer. She will survey the area for the vicious male langur. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.